I don't want you to see my address. Finally, let's have a look at the Avro RJ85. So yeah, something that's been on my want list for a while, but I'd be buggered if I was going to pay 70 quid on eBay for this bad boy. I ended up paying about 39 quid in the end. It was put up for auction. Starting price was 39 quid. Put the bid in, I went to 42 and I won it at 39 quid. Whoa, bargain. Not really, but it's the only reason it's expensive is because I think it's because of that. And I wanted to build a Flyby plane, you know. Flyby was quite, you know, it's been around in my life for ages. You see the planes flying over my head all the time. And I have got a Q8, no, sorry, a Dash 8, sorry, Q400 Dash 8, sorry, in my stash. I've started building, but I've never got around to it. I do now have the purple for it, but I've just never got around to building it properly. Anyway, so this one here's come on my bench. So it's an oldish kit. I think it's 2000 odd. We'll have a look at, you know, scale mates. This one has been released as a BAE 146, just between the two companies, Avro and BAE, both manufactured this plane. And also, I think Avro now belongs to BAE, so the name no longer exists, sadly. This tooling's 1997, so 25 years old, the tooling. But to be fair, it's not been released since 2009, to my knowledge. I don't think Revell have brought it out since then. It's not mentioned on Scalemates. I think the most popular one at the time was in 2002 when they brought out the TNT version. But this one here is 2007. So, and that's got the Flyby decals on it. And is it Eurowings? I think it was. Is it Eurowings? So yeah, those are the two decals, but you know, it's hard to see these around much anyway. You don't see them at all, really. So I've been to a lot of model shows and I've not seen any for sale there. Let me know in the comments the history of this plane. I don't know a lot about it apart from I've seen it. But yeah, Eurowings, Flyby on the tail. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a look inside. So this is the decal sheet, quite nice and thick. If I remember rightly, there's no glass in this, so you will have holes. So you know, you could put these on top if you wish. You don't need to, but you can do for the windows. You've got the edges, the trailing edges for the fin at the back. You know, so there's not a lot. You know, you just paint it white, hopefully, and get away with it. You don't have to paint it. Oh, I think with the Flyby one, you've got to do that paint colour there for the belly, if I'm right. I'll just have a look in a minute. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, all pretty good here. Some nice detail there. Nice decals, nice and crisp. Not too bad. There's a bit of a crease there, but that shouldn't affect the decal, hopefully. But yeah, there you go. So you've got your windows there all the way through, and you can either have you got your cockpit there, so you can either have the windows light or dark if you want to look inside. But I don't think there's any detail on the inside anyway. Instruction manual. Let's have a quick look at the instruction manual. What is this dog shit? Right, okay, so it's like a small little booklet here. Let's have a look. So there's the first page. So let's have a look here. So first page is information there before you start. And these are the call outs. So yeah, that's the Flyby call out. That's only got the Flyby call out, is it? Oh no, there it is. There's the Eurowings one. So Flyby call out, you've got your ADG. I f***ing hate that from Revell. Why? Just do the colours of what it says, okay? Just don't piss about with this lot. Just say what it is, the numbers, and the name of the colour. Not A, D, G, and J. What's all that crap? So yeah, it looks like it's got the belly there, which is J. I don't know what J is. What the hell is J? What the hell is J in here? There you go. It's on another page here. So J is light blue gloss, 80% light blue gloss, 20% white gloss. I think I've got a Tamiya one that will probably do that colour. Sure, I've got a Tamiya one. Yeah, I do have a X14, which is I don't think it would be too. Let's have a little look. No, it's way too dark, but I think add a bit of white to that, you'll be laughing. Yeah, no, it's a little bit too dark, but yeah, so a little bit of white in there and you mix it, you'll be fine. Just make sure you mix a lot of it. So yeah, not too bad. So I've got an X there. What is this instructions like? Crumbs. So you're going to need 10 grams of weight. I'm just trying to see how this lines up here. So that's crumbs. How do you work these instructions? That's A2122. Oh, dear me. What is this? So you start off, right, number one. So you're doing undercarriage first. You're doing the gearing underneath. Looks like with 4 sections there. Leave that to dry. They got the call out there. So you got 3 sprues, it looks like. Not too much, but so they're all numbered right the way through. You go, yeah, so you're starting there. 1, 2, you got quite a so it's numbered. So how many pieces is it then? 45 pieces in this. So not too much of a build. So 45 pieces looks like. So you're building all the undercarriage together, and then pop it in the middle of the fuselage and pop them two together. Pumps. There's no detail in the cockpit, so you just as well cover up that glass. On with the wings, and then glue that together. Then you've got your 4 engines you got to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in the engine. So you got to do that 4 times. And there you go, all of them together there. So you got that's easily done. Moving through, and then so you whack the wings on top, put the glass in, and to the top of the fin there. Moving on through. Oh, what's these? Oh, there's your doors there for your gearing. You can have them up or down depending. And then finally you cut these down to shape. So you get one piece, you cut them in so you can get your flaps at the front and the back. So your flaps, your doors, and then sensors. And that one there, that piece goes in there. So I think that was a piece of glass that goes in the front there. Another indicator on the top, and you're done basically on this build. And then you have your call outs, which is your Euro wings, which you won't be doing, and you got your flyby. So there's the instructions there. Really simple kit to build. As I say, it's on my list. Let's have a look at what you get inside the bag. When they do this, it's like Academy, isn't it? Because Academy do all this. It does make you wonder who does actually where they actually make the plastic. See, it's made in Korea. Made in Korea. So it does make you wonder if Academy has boxed this kit for them. It does say made in Korea. You know, I'm just saying. Look at where it manufactured. Korea is Academy, isn't it? So it wouldn't surprise me, because this is definitely Academy box, Academy packaging. You know, I think it is. I think this has been done by Academy. We have to have a look. Right, let's open this up. Yep, 3 sprues here. Nothing too major. Let's have a look. So you got your recessed panel lines. Yeah, recessed panel lines on this one. So you're looking through, there's part of the engine there. There's the part of the undercarriage there. There's the doors for the undercarriage. You know, your sensors. Quite thick on the engine side there, but not a lot to clean up. Most definitely not a lot to clean up. I presume you'd have to clean these bits up at the end. I suppose they're supposed to be there. So when they go together, you got little lugs underneath the engines. Just have a quick look. Can't see that on the picture, but yeah. Push that all together, look nice. Then basically you've got your wings. A little bit of detail on the wings, some flaps there. Top of the fin. But yeah, so there you go. There's the that sprue, and then obviously then you've got the fuselage. It's not a very big plane, you know, considering it's not very big at all. There's some detail. There's not a lot of flash on this, you know. It's pretty well sussed. A bit of a clean up there. I think you keep them in there. I think that's supposed to be there. But yeah, I think it's not looking too bad. I don't think it's going to take me long to build. It will just be a coat of primer, one coat of white. I suppose I'll go by that line there and do the underbelly and then put the flybe down here. I think that's basically it. As I say, because it's in black and white, it's really difficult to see, you know, how far down that, and all the picture shows is the Eurowings. It doesn't show you the flybe one. So I may look up the flybe one on the aviation photography page I look at. It does say BAE 146-200 on that one there. So there's the number there, G-JEAV. So if we look that up, we might be able to see what it looks like and just see how far down. It does go that bottom line there, so it's in between that and that. So I'm presuming I'm going to have to go just above the bubble there, just above the bubble, just straight along underneath the doors. So yeah, so it's going to go just straight across there, just a little tiny piece there. So I'm going to have to do the doors and everything that colour as well. So yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. Probably what I'll do is I'll add a load of white to this and then just hope for the best. I don't think it's... I may even just use that colour. Do you know what? I don't think it really matters, does it? I think I'll get away with that. So if you just look on the screen now, you can see that blue is quite blue underneath. And I think I could get away with this colour. I think I can get away with it. I'm not going to add any white to it. I think I'll just go with that colour. And I noticed that, which kind of reminded me, if you're going to do these sort of kits, you need to like do the big decals first and then put the windows on top. That's the only way you're going to do it on this one, I think. Just do the windows on top of that one. And there's the glass wet there, very tiny pieces there. But yeah, whoops, there's no flash on it or nothing. It's quite a good tooling. I said, you know, what's it now? It's been 13 years, 14 years since they last manufactured. So yeah, that's basically it really. Nothing much more to add to it. Here you go, that was the Avro RJ 85. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And thank you to the channel members who have become part of the Moz 6510 Models family. If you want to become part of the family, just click join underneath this video. Prices start from £1.99 and there are benefits, I can assure you. So thank you to the guys who are members. Anyways, if you've not seen my latest build, I build this Ford GT and I leave the link here.